Hi and welcome back to my channel. In this video we will take at this document again. We will outline the steps to configure all the devices in our lab. In this video series I will guide you through the complete configuration of each device step by step. So we may need more than one video to cover everything in detail. Once we finish setting up all the devices, we will move on to configure the policy rule exactly as it's specified in the document. So follow along with me throughout this series to ensure everything is set up correctly. Here we have these our devices, so we can look at we can scroll down. I will put this document or the link to it on the description box. So we can see here the A-GUI machine needs to have FTP server. So what I did here, I have already installed FTP server here, and I took this Firewall server, and then we need, again, according to this document, we need to create a folder and make it available to everyone. So this is the shared folder, properties, so security, we can take here, let's add everyone, okay, and okay. Here in the Firewall server we need to go to users, and this user we can remove this one, add a user, for example me or that. Okay, so we don't need because the document says anonymous users, so we don't need a password here, so that everyone can use it. So shared folders here, add shared folder, and we have this folder, shared folder here, and we give it a write and read permissions, and we click OK here. So now we have configured this. What is still needed here is to shut down this server and open it again with administrator privileges so that our settings can take effect. Connect. Okay. And here's our client, FTP client. We can run it and leave it as it is for now. Back to the document here. So now we are done with the A-GUI machine. So scroll near down, and here it is ASMS. Okay, we have configured this IP and configured the segmentation on VMware. So the server should be fully licensed with licenses obtained from the BCK. This is a folder on the course material. So how to get or obtain a license? You need to create an account in Checkpoint, and then you can download an evaluation license account. We open a browser, you can go to checkpoint.com and log in and sign up here. Okay, you can take this one, get started, password, like this, continue, and now we can check our mail address. Gmail. We log into Gmail here. We choose to use another account. Checkpoint 3. Next. Password. Next. I have created this email address. this only for this to create this video. So personalize done. So this is our email. So verify. Okay. Can reload one time. Again, verify. Continue. Okay, first name, email, organize my org, job title, you can take anything here, Sweden, maybe, no, okay, submit, I need to find any phone number here, submit. Okay, we need to have an authenticator in our mobile phone. So I will add this to my authenticator. I'm using Microsoft Authenticator. You can use any authenticator you want. So here, so add scan QR code, and now it's added. So now we can only enter that number. Continue here. And now we are logged in. So where to find your evaluation licenses? So go to try our products and product evaluation. And then we choose all-in-one evaluation here. Next. Here we need to create a user center account. Okay, so we can take assets and info and my accounts. And then here we don't have a UC account, so we create one. So here we can add our name, my name, for example, my corp. Address can take this and this. Here can take Sweden. As you can see, like this. Phone number can take anything here. And press create account. No, there. And now we have created our account. So if we go back to the evaluation here, so try our products and product evaluation. So all-in-one evaluation. Next. Now we can choose one of these. I have created two when I was trying to create it. So choose one of them. The IP address. Here we need to give it the IP address of our server, and it is 10.1.1.101. Purpose of the evaluation, it's lab, in lab environment. Confirm this and get evaluation. And here we can see our license. So we use this line here to activate a security management server, and this line to activate a gateway. But when we activate a gateway, only remove this. You don't need to add anything here. Just remove this. For our sake, so we can copy this and back to our gateway or management server. So we log in here. And we only paste that and press enter. So now we got an evaluation license that cover all. So cover all blades until the 5th of October. So how we can check the license with this click print. So we can see that it's until the 5th of October. So now we have this step here. ASMS2, we don't have it, so we will stick only with one for the CCSA course. In the next video, we will look at the other devices. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.